Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking into how to use the Seeker private content tab. So the first thing you want to do is log into Seeker, and from there you're going to go to the right side on the content page and it'll say My Content. So click on that and it will look empty for you at first. Just go to the middle and click on either Select Files or Select Folders. And selecting folders will select a folder and automatically ingest the compatible files like PDFs, Word documents, RTFs, text files, and PowerPoints into Seeker. Select one of these and navigate to your files of choice in your file browser and then hit View File. And it will automatically process and the bar will fill up accordingly. But then once it's uploaded, it will not be done ingesting. It'll stay grayed out and will index accordingly with the percentage going up. And you can check on the percentage there with the little hovering over the little round wheel. And then once it's done, we can select as many files as we want to use chatting with Seeker. So in this case, I'm going to click on the file folder I've uploaded and then select, one or two or all of them or some of them. And depending on what you select, you can get some pretty interesting results. If you want to select a couple from here and then go back out to the My Content folder, you can always navigate to a different file that you have in the My Content section and cross-reference those as well. So pretty cool tool. But in this case, I think we are just going to hit My Content and then just select the entire folder and then hit Chat About. For this example, I'm just going to be using a summary on maintenance procedures for the Boeing 737. I'm asking it to write a somewhat complicated summary in simple diction, and we'll see how it does on this. So, as you can see, it's written the outline. It's pretty good. It's fairly long and thorough. Contains a lot of acronyms, uses a lot of specific phrases. You're welcome to pause the video and read it. Talks about deviation lists, which is pretty specific. Makes the cut. And we'll see what ChatGPT comes back with. I'll ask it the same prompt and we'll see what happens. Oh, okay, so it did not give me an answer. We'll try that one more time. All right, finally gave us a prompt, and it's pretty surface level. It doesn't really have any context to go off of, so it's doing its best. It's filling in the parts that it doesn't know. It's hallucinating, which makes sense. It's just guessing the next word, but it doesn't know where the information is coming from, so that's why Seeker has a leg up. For another example, let's check out this American history book on Pocahontas. And let's say you're a history student, maybe you don't understand the book, maybe you've read part of it or all of it, or whatever the answer is, you want to ask Seeker questions on the context. So let's say you're writing an essay, you can ask Seeker to write you a 750 to 1500 word paper. I've included my thesis as well as the prompt for the paper to see what the AI comes back with. And it looks like it came back with a pretty long, lengthy response, with a bunch of different ideas for body paragraphs in your essay maybe, or just general context on what this book's actually about. Mentions European diseases and a struggle for dominance in Virginia. Maybe you want to write an outline for your essay instead, and you can give it your thesis statement and prompt. See what it comes back with. And it looks like it came back with a pretty robust outline on this topic. We got cultural and linguistic differences, land ownership, power and control, impact of European disease, and the outcome of the struggle for dominance, what actually ended up happening, and a conclusion. I think this is a pretty good outline. Well, there you have it. There's a couple examples on how to use Seeker. There'll be more videos in the works. If you have any specific questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our website will be linked below in the description. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Take care.